Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can delete blank rows only from your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So as you can see, I created a list like that here, and as you can see, that list features also blank rows like that one here or that one. So if you'd like to delete all rows at once that are blank, simply follow my instructions, guys. In the first step, highlight your range of data, just like that. You would like to delete the blank rows from. And what you want to do after that, guys, is head over to data here at the top. Select create a filter from the drop-down menu. And after that, click on that filter icon here at the top of your column, just like that. And select clear here. After that, make sure that all items below or values below are unselected except the blanks item or value, so selected. And after that, confirm by clicking on OK here. And in the final step, guys, what you want to do is simply highlight all blank rows like that, right click and select delete selected rows, just like that. And in the very final step, click on data here and remove the filter so that only the rows with some content and value will be left in your spreadsheet. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.